Indian Constitution ki matungina, World International Law ki matungina, yenga kada basi, wala basi di mapang pudi makilo ina magtawi mga atani, tabo. Ihana kanana violence to kya basi, ay ko inay na pangpoi. Ani subada, madubo kamdaw na hawa kibano hay baso, ay ko inay na pangpoi. Ay subada, madubo kaya kita magtahaw ibano hay basi, ay ko inay na pangpoi. Kasi na, minit atin madipi batara baso ay tiyentang na haizage. Ay, Indian government do feel the ground chachar matung da ay na heng itanda bawa pawang taru kakang ay thamjarange. Why is the government not able to demarcate our border with appropriate fence like that of Pakistan and India border? Second, free movement regime, we all know that allow tribes living along the border to travel 15 kilometers across either side without visa. Are this regime properly regulated? Third point, India declares zero tolerance to terrorism, but terrorism is being carried out in Manipur. Why so is not being dealt with? Why the illegal immigrants from the Myanmar, from Bangladesh and refugees from the Mizoram are gaining support to the level of demanding their land? Why haven't the grounds of violence and abuse being done to the Meitei community in More not being covered by the respected beloved our national media? First, it is started from the Asa Hotel in More Bazaar. After the opposite Citizen Welfare Club, Charlie Nompo Hotel. So, I appeal to all my beloved respected nation media, before declaring any article, please critically analyze in and every subject, in and every matter, without any bias. We all know that on third, Aikoigi Sisipugi, Moigi peace rally asi Aikoina Kangi Madudun, public ground again Makosi peace ground Baba, government Piva Matamsi, 11:30 again now 1:30 ni. Tabodobo level Kibadi, Makogi Balansi, 10:30 the Hokre office of Forest Bid office, Bungma, Pungbaro Makaida. Malta Mutam Pilas, Pungama Makaida, Aikogi Saikot Bilasa. Adagi Matunda, Aikogi, Tobo Hamadi, Bangladegi 3 kilometers Sanzalaga, Waikolov, Laysang Bilasa, Sakanda Batanguna, Aikogi, Anglo Cookie Centenary Gesi, Mai Tharan hierarchy. Tobotobo Madugi is in every video and foot test, Loinamaglazay, respected national media. So, ay na izani madi kay gimapan napi gimapan kay natang ni ilang da Manipur dala oba mayam na ko strength na to napi gani lang ay ko gi foresight ko di maglaman kaya kaya sa na Manipur nga kay nga pamatanda each and every community indigenous community mayam na support of yun hay sige long way Manipur okay Aduga, mayangi pangusing talaga, away ba magtawa pa mamtang sige? 2022 da India si Adugam Laba, Refugee Convention 1951 dagi, ay ko'y include oidre. Malamaduna, wahang amatang hangzarangge, karigomba, ato pa country, like Pakistan, ato pa country, amadigi, ay ko'y manabal lining ama, refugee ni hay na sumlak sa mamatang dadi, mako'y gisu, greater la mamatan bagi, akiba ma, layragadra hay bas ni mayam. Maduna mayam, please wake up. Parna pabiyo, amaka na po magikolaw dalaw minasi. Manipurang kay! Manipurang kay! Manipur na sa system! Thank you, Echan.
Thank you.